Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Weston-super-Mare, and I'm going to show around this stylish 208 in the GT line specification. So this vehicle features 17-inch alloy wheels, tinted rear windows, there's rear parking sensors. Now inside the car it's half leather interior with red GT line style stitching. The touchscreen has 3D navigation, DAB digital radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth connectivity. You also get dual zone air conditioning, automatic headlights and wipers, and there's cruise control with a speed limiter. So let's have a look around. This car has the 1.2 litre PureTech engine that gives you 110 horsepower. It's got a 6-speed manual gearbox, done less than 14,000 miles. If it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Weston-super-Mare. Thank you.